my contact or my meeting and then my studies as an undergraduate with Ruth Wisse prior to her being hired away by Harvard would have to be the sort of the key intellectual transition, because you had I took 2 courses with her while I was at McGill, 2 courses that were electives. One, general introduction to modern Jewish literature, where for the first time in my life I read Roth and Bellow, Malamud, Ozick, and then in my senior year I took a seminar with her on Yiddish poetry in interwar Poland. And it was that convinced me that here was a field that was being underserved, and that was extraordinarily interesting, and that would allow me to not necessarily, it also provided a certain richness and wholeness, so that Jewish identity wasn't just diasporic, the American variety that I knew. It wasn't just the Israeli variety that I was coming to know, but there was this whole world out there. And I saw other students who were trying to say something original about Shakespeare. I mean, how many more, obviously you can say things, but how many more books do we really need about Shakespeare? And then you would talk to someone like Ruth, who made this literature so interesting, so accessible, so important, and who acknowledged that who invited you into the field by saying nothing's been done. So little's been done. If you come into this field, there'll be things for you to do, and everything you do, if it's done well, will be important. So I'd say that her influence was so critically important that I'm almost understating the importance.